Hello students, today I am here with a new lesson of our value education series titled Say No to Addictions. Students, let us start this lesson with a famous quote of Saint Chaura. He says, "Do not let your parents shed tears on account of you. If you offend them, you will have to suffer punishment in this world itself." Students, in this lesson you will see that how a very good and intelligent engineering student Arun became addicted to drinks and drugs influenced by the bad company, and how his uncle helped him to come out from this dangerous pit. Here is the story. Arun was a student of a famous engineering college. He was second topper in the entrance examination. He was loved equally by the teachers and the students. The senior students in the college became very friendly with him. Arun used to go with them outside anywhere. At times they went out of the hostel for sightseeing, sometimes even for a short picnic. One evening, when they were all together in a park, one of their friends came with a bottle of liquor. At first, Arun refused when they called him to drink with them. But as the days passed, when the compulsion and influence of the friends became stronger, Arun too started drinking with them. Gradually, he became a slave to this evil habit. Then what happened? He began to lose his interest in studies. His parents always sent him money for the fee on time, but he used to squander the whole sum of money to enjoy with his friends. Slowly, he became addicted to both drinks and drugs. He absolutely failed to focus on studies. His appearance became unpleasant and behavior got strange. He even did not go home. Instead, stayed in the hostel during the holidays, having no courage to face the family members. One day, Dr. Priyank, Arun's uncle, came to the hostel to meet him. He was shocked to find Arun in such a miserable state. Arun too was shocked, not knowing what to say. But uncle could understand everything, as he was serving in a drug dependence treatment center. He took Arun to a nearest beach and asked, "My dear Arun, what has happened to you? How did you become like this? Your father, mother and sister are waiting for you with lots of expectations, dreaming of your successful career. They sent the money to you regularly, bearing such big burden they are not even capable of." Arun burst in tears and said, "I want to get out from it, uncle, but I feel helpless." Petting him gently, uncle said, "Many young boys like you come to our hospital for treatment every day. Most of them fall into these kinds of habit influenced by the bad company and become addicted to all sorts of drinks and drugs. Once a person becomes an addict to these kinds of substances, it is quite difficult to get rid of them, because each time when we use these substances, they directly affect our brain. But you don't be upset, for with God everything is possible. There is an effective treatment available now. But first of all, you must understand well the evil effect of these habits, otherwise you will pick up it again." Then uncle explained the consequences of being addicted to drinks and drugs. He said, "Intoxicated drinks and drugs destroy our status and health. It disturbs our inner peace. The person loses all the possibilities to learn well, get good jobs and reach greater heights. No one pays respect to such person in the society. Continuous use of alcohol and drugs affect the functions of brain. The person behaves like a mad person when these toxic substances go into his body in the form of drink, drug and injection. This is such a dreadful and dangerous thing. It will blow away everything in the wind, the rules, ideals and manners. Even if we have seen and heard about the experiences of many such people, we never try to learn of it till we go and fall in the same dangerous pit. Arun said, "Uncle, I did not think of the consequences at that time. Now, what shall I do?" Uncle said, "If you are ready to take a strong decision, you can save yourself. Your parents and teachers can help and guide you. In fact, you are fortunate as you recognize the danger right at the beginning. Now, I will ask your principal a short leave for you. We will have your treatment in our clinic." Arun said, "Thank you very much, Uncle. I will definitely come." Uncle said, "Arun, you must have to understand one more thing. Today, the students are the most vulnerable and targeted group of these drug lobbies. They have got agents who have uniforms of all the schools in their hand. Even police and government fail so miserably to find out the hidden and secret agendas of this group. There are even clever student agents who fill the tiffin box with the drugs and sell it among the students. Today, there are traps everywhere. Saint Chowra foresaw these dangers 2 centuries before. In the Testament, he says, drunkenness is disgraceful before the world and sinful before God." Uncle said, "Arun, you can do one more thing. You can show your leadership skills in saving the youngers from this dangerous pit. Form an association of the students who are not addicts and interested in saving others and do the needful." Arun promised to do that. So students, I hope you understood the consequences of being addicted to drinks and drugs and decided to say no to addictions. Now students, I conclude the lesson with the aspirations of the famous poetess Sugata Kumari. "May my son be able to grow with a straight backbone, upright head, clear intellect, and the pride and the glory of this land. May your mother and motherland be fortunate to see this." Thank you.